Ubudlelwane phakathi kwe-SACP ne-ANC kulesifundazwe buke bangababuhle kule minyaka edlule. Lamadlela ndawonye bebuye ngaboni ngasolinye, ikakhulukazi ngendlela i-ANC iqhuba ngayo, yize bebezama ukubonakala sengathi babumbene. Kuyimanje i-SACP siveza ukuthi ayihambisani nesinqumo sokuthunyelwa kukaZandile Gumede kwishayi-mthetho saKwaZulu-Natal. Amakhomanisi athi ubuholi be-ANC ebuzanga buxoxisane nabo ngalolu daba, kanti futhi naso lesinqumo asihambisani nesinqumo zeqembu.
The leadership of the ANC need to implement their own resolution and respect their own resolution.
Umthembu uthi ubudlelwane phakathi kwabo bubuhle, okunye i-ANC futhi ayizange yabazisa ngesinqumo sokususa esikhundleni abanye abaholi komasipala. I-SACP ithi ihlela ukuhlangana nobuholi be-ANC ukuze badingide ngezinkinga ababhekene nazo.
We'll be asking for an urgent meeting with the African National Congress so that many things need to be explained, to be clarified, so that we do everything to find each other. And we hope it's not going to go back to that situation that it was in 2013.
Amakomanisi athi ayewaseka umbono kamongameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa okulwisana nenkohlakalo eqenjini elibusayo. Ezindabeni ze-SABC ngingu-Ayanda Mhlongo eThekwini.